Pikzels AI is making a lot of buzz recently, and it's for a good reason. It is undoubtedly the best AI thumbnail maker for YouTube. Just look at these thumbnails. All of these thumbnails are made using this AI tool. And you don't need any magical prompts to create such thumbnails. You only need to go to this free trial option. Here, you will see that many people are making thumbnails using this tool. You only need to enter this command, and it will show you all the options to create your thumbnail. For now, I will show you how you can recreate any YouTube thumbnail with just a click of a button. To do that, I only need to copy the link of the video. Next, I paste the video link here and press enter. It will ask you to choose the thumbnail quality. I will choose this one for now. And now, Pikzels AI will take some time to do its magic, and then it will create a thumbnail for you. Alright, here is the thumbnail that was created. And if we compare it with the thumbnail that I send it, you'll see that it is looking almost similar, but way different than the original thumbnail. And this is only one feature of this tool. There are many other options available to choose from. You can enhance your existing thumbnails, add images, use face swap, and even add some text. Overall, this tool is easy to use, offers value for money, and effective as well. If you want to get a discount on your Pikzels subscription, make sure to use the given below link and coupon codes, which will help you save a flat 50% on your first payment. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.